Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn "All Creatures of Our God and King." This is a slightly more difficult hymn. We're going to be doing chord changes in the middle of a bar, so we'll kind of have to work through this slowly. But it's a key of C, and the chords you need are the usual suspects: your C chord, your F major chord, your G major, A minor, E minor. You're gonna need D minor as well as D major. Okay, those are the chords you're gonna need. We're gonna work through the first verse very slowly. So this hymn is in triple time, and we're gonna be using a slightly different strumming pattern. We're gonna be doing um, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, and the main difficulty is we're going to be changing chords in the middle of the triple pattern. All right, so let's take the first verse through really slowly. Oh, creatures of our God and King, lift up your voice and with us sing. Oh, praise ye, hallelujah. Oh, brother, son with golden beam. Oh, sister, moon with silver gleam. Oh, praise ye, oh, praise ye. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, now grab your song sheets, and we're going to play through just 4 verses. I know this hymn has got many more verses than that, but we're just going to do 4. All creatures of our God and King, lift up your voice and with us sing. Oh, praise ye, hallelujah. Oh, brother, son with golden beam. Oh, sister, moon with silver gleam. Oh, praise ye, oh, praise ye. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, brother, wind, air, clouds, and rain, by which all creatures ye sustain. Oh, praise ye, hallelujah. The rising morning praise we drone. Ye lights of evening finer forms. Oh, praise ye, oh, praise ye. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, sister, water flowing clear, make music for thy Lord to hear. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, brother, fire who lights the night, providing warmth and enhancing sight. Oh, praise ye, oh, praise ye. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Dear Mother Earth, who day by day unfolders blessings on our way. Hallelujah, hallelujah. The flowers and fruits that in thee grow, let them God's glory also show. Oh, praise ye, oh, praise ye. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. is All Creatures of Our God and King. It's a beautiful hymn by the words are by St. Francis of Assisi. And again, I think chiefly the difficulty in this one is the changing of chords in the middle of a bar. So you do have to practice that a little bit, and there are places where you have all three beats of the bar having three different chords, and that's a bit more challenging. I mean, I struggled through it, and I got to a point where it's playable, but I'm sure you can get to that point as well. Just persevere and practice slowly and diligently, and you'll get there. I hope you enjoy this hymn as much as I did. Thank you.